Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Pro. If you're interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, or cybersecurity, Kali Linux is one of the best operating systems to learn and practice safely. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because skipping steps can cause errors during installation. Alright, let's get started. System requirements. Before we begin the installation, let's quickly check some important system requirements. If these are not set correctly, VMware or Kali Linux may not work properly. First, your CPU must support virtual and it should be enabled in BIOS or UEFI. For Intel CPUs, this is called Intel Virtualization Technology. For AMD CPUs, it's called AMD-V or SVM mode. If virtualization is disabled, VMware won't be able to run 64-bit operating systems like Kali Linux. Next, make sure your system has at least 8 GB of RAM. We'll assign around 4 GB RAM to Kali Linux, so your system needs enough memory to handle both Windows and the virtual machine smoothly. Also, check your storage space. Kali Linux needs at least 50 GB, but more is always better. Finally, make sure Windows virtualization features are not blocking VMware. If Hyper-V or similar features are enabled, VMware may show errors. Go to Windows Features and disable Hyper-V related options if they are enabled. Also, open Core Isolation and turn off memory integrity. This allows VMware to fully use your CPU's virtualization power. Once everything is ready, we can move to the installation. Download Kali Linux ISO. Open your browser and search for Kali Linux download. Click on the official website kali.org. Scroll down and select Installer Images. Download the latest Kali Linux ISO file. The file size is around 4 to 5 GB, so wait until the download is fully complete. Download and install VMware Workstation Pro. Now let's install VMware Workstation Pro. VMware is now owned by Broadcom, so the download process has changed slightly. Search for VMware Workstation Pro download and open the official VMware link. Click Download now and you'll be redirected to the Broadcom website. You'll need a Broadcom account to download it. If you don't have one, just create a new account. It's free for personal use. After logging in, go to My Downloads, click Free Software Downloads, search for VMware Workstation Pro. Select the latest Windows version, accept the terms and conditions. Click Download. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen steps. Click Next, then Finish to complete the installation. Create Kali Linux Virtual Machine. Open VMware Workstation Pro and click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Installer Disk Image File Browse and select the Kali Linux ISO operating system. Linux version, latest Debian version. Name your virtual machine Kali Linux and choose a storage location if needed. For disk size, set at least 50 GB. Select Split Virtual Disk into multiple files before finishing. selecting, click Customize Hardware, Memory, 4 GB or more processors, 4 cores or more, make sure virtualization options are enabled, click Close, then Finish. Install Kali Linux, select the virtual machine and click Power On. Choose Graphical Install. Follow these steps. Select language, select country, choose keyboard layout. Set hostname, leave domain name empty. Create username and password, select time zone for disk partition. Choose guided. Use entire disk. Select all files in one partition. Confirm and write changes to disk. The installation will now begin. This may take several minutes, so please be patient. When asked, select Desktop Environment and Default Tools, install Grub Bootloader, choose the main disk after installation. Reboot the system. First login and final setup. Once rebooted, log in using the username and password you created. In a few seconds, you'll see the Kali Linux desktop. Congratulations! Kali Linux is now successfully installed on VMware. You can explore tools for information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application testing. So that's how you can install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Pro step by step. Now you have a safe and powerful ethical hacking lab running inside your Windows system. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Fix Me Master for more cybersecurity tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll try my best to reply. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.